Hello, welcome back to another video. Okay, it's your girl Renee, and today we are here with a cleaning video. So as y'all know, I have moved into my new home. My husband's already been living here, so it just needs some, feminine touch and feminine cleaning. So I am going to start with cleaning our guest bathroom, which we also use, honestly, not even just for guests. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean that up. I'm going to do a quick little haul of cleaning supplies that I got, and then I'm gonna get to cleaning. I'm gonna turn my music on, so I'll just do like a small voiceover and stuff. Yeah, so I'm now a stay-at-home wife slash business owner still. So if you guys are interested in this type of content that will be filmed, then definitely subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment down below. Welcome to the new family. And yeah, so let me go get all the stuff that I'm gonna be using to clean, and I'll be right back. All right, so first, so to clean the shower, I'm going to be using this Scrubbing Bubbles Mega Shower Foamer. So this is this. Clean the toilet bowl. Got some Clorox bleach. Glass cleaner for the mirror. This is a multi-purpose disinfectant cleaner for I'll use this for the sink and just the toilet bowl in general, around it. And then also, I like to mix Pine Sol or a Fabuloso or something like that. He didn't have Fabuloso here. He had Pine Sol, so I'll just use this to mix in cleaning the sink and the toilet as well. So, yes, that is what I like to use. I have gloves because I do not like touching the bathroom. It just grosses me out. So I got gloves. And then I actually prefer to use a sponge, but I'm going to just use an old rag that we have for yeah. So let's get to cleaning. I'll give you guys a quick overview of what it currently looks like, and then I'll clean up. Okay, so I'm not going to talk through the entire video just because I know sometimes people just like to enjoy the cleaning and the aesthetics of cleaning with me, right? But I'm just going to talk with you a little bit of my kind of process, since this is my first cleaning video here on my channel. So I'm starting by trying to fix this light. Somehow the color fell down or something, so I'm just here trying to fix that. It was pretty simple, I just kind of had to figure out how to maneuver it in. Then I'm looking to see what kind of fell in the bathtub. I was real confused, so I was trying to figure out what I need to do to clean this first. But I'm going to start by spraying this Scrubbing Bubbles shower cleaner stuff. And I'm going to let that, marinate. So I also would have bought Comet as well, but my husband, he still knew having a wife and what cleaning from a female looks like, right? So he didn't have everything, so that's okay. We also got this Clorox for the toilet, just to clean the toilet bowl. And then he had this disinfectant spray already. I will never purchase this. I do not like the way this smells at all, but that's the only disinfectant we had besides straight bleach, and I didn't want to use straight bleach just because it doesn't sit well with my lungs when I'm inhaling that. So, and then I'm gonna mix some Pine Sol in the toilet as well. Yeah, excuse all my fat that's just hanging out. I had just came back from the gym, and before I took a shower and stuff, I wanted to clean up. So yeah, I'm working on this. Good though. I'm working on it. So subscribe also if you're into fitness and health and things like that, because Here on this channel, we're on a fitness journey as well, so definitely subscribe, comment, like, and all that good stuff. But if you do like this fit, it's obviously rolling up on me right now. But the top is from Determined Fitness Wear, super cute, and then the bottoms are from Gymshark.
To go on without you. Where have you been? Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody gonna love me like you can't even be.
Okay, so the shower is now cleaned out after letting that sit. I had got this counter or under the counter organizer. I originally bought it to put it on the counter, but it was just way too big for the space, so I ended up using this for under the counter storage, which I think worked out a lot better. And I got this from Target. It was probably like $15, if that.
Take this vow to love one another, make this thing a reality.
Again with this disinfectant, but I did put pine salt in the sink as my kind of like bath water for the sink as I'm cleaning it. Going in with that glass cleaner. I do like glass cleaner a little bit better than Windex. I feel like it's a little bit less streaky actually. And I feel like it leaves a little bit of a better shine. So yeah, I do like glass cleaner.
I'm looking for somebody to talk to, love me, someone who can hold me. Where have you been?
Obviously taking out the trash. I don't know what type of trash bag y'all use, but we just use old bags that we get from like the grocery store and stuff. Recycle, right? Here now I'm trying to figure out how I'm organizing this in this storage stuff. Decided to put the extra toilet paper that we leave in there in this thing on the bottom. And the cleanest part on top, and you see they do fit, but getting them in there was an issue. So I had to take them out and then put them back in. But you know, we gotta figure it out. The only thing that's gonna have to be left on the side is gonna be the pine salt. I'm just shaking out the mats. I'm gonna sweep and mop the floor. And as you can see, our bathroom is pretty small, so it doesn't take me too long to clean the guest bathroom. Also, y'all see our walls are very much blank and bare. Like I said, we just moved in and we need to put pictures and decorate and all that good stuff. So we'll be doing that over the next few weeks and stuff like that. And I'll try to include some videos on my channel as well. So definitely subscribe if you're into that type of decorating content. And then this mop we have, it's pretty much like a Swiffer. It's not an actual Swiffer. I can't remember the name of it, but it gets the job done. I think I accidentally left that clip out. Sorry, but I did mop the floor. But now I'm putting the mats back. That is pretty much all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.